Hi guys, a little video for you today, an update on the Einhell table saw. Now, I've been currently working on a project where I've needed to cut larger sheets of plywood. So what I've done, I've used the table extensions. Now these are meant for one either side, but what I actually did, I moved the rail for the saw fence to the end to actually join these together, give them some support. We've got a piece of timber which I've took through to all sides. Show you the underneath there so you can have a look how we fixed that. We've got the screw fixings in, that was done. We've got the legs as well. Now that was done once the tabletop was calibrated, making sure we're level, we're nice and flush. So we're still cutting at 90 degrees. I've got the support on the side there. That's really stable, there's nothing, no movement. This probably be a permanent feature. Now, if you've not already seen my other video on the fence, the upgrade I did there with the box section, have a look. Hopefully the camera will pick that up inside the box section. I cut a slot out to slide those bolts up. Now that has actually worked out in my favour because that has enabled me to slide the fence down so we're flush with the edge, so we can actually clamp that down and again toggle clamp it into position. See, we've got plenty of steel there. I took this, when I measured up this originally, I took it right through to the edge of the rail, so that has given me that extra maybe 20-30 mil there to actually take that down. I've got all this space now between the fence and the blade for the larger piece of the timber, and yeah, so this will probably be a permanent fixture where I'll leave it in place. I tend to use this more now for the larger sheets of timbers. It's only a 3-minute job to take this rail out, move it further down, closer to the blade. The fence will stay in exactly the same position and the clamps, so timber's going to stay there. The 3-minute job to actually move this down if I need to cut the smaller sizes. And also part of your checks anyway, the thing you should be doing is making sure all the nuts and bolts are tight. There's a bit of vibration on all saws, so you're just tweaking that, making sure it's all tight, everything's fine, nothing's come slack, nothing's loosened up. But yeah, I was quite pleased with that, and I thought I'd just give you guys a quick update. The saw is performing really well, by the way. Wind that blade up for you, you can see the blade, Freud blade, it's been brilliant. So inserts again, it's been great, and also the sliding mitre gauge that I converted has been fine, no issues, and you can see virtually no movement or slack compared to the original one. So it's been a great saw, great little investment for the money, and still getting regular use. So as always guys, hope you've enjoyed this little update. If you've not already checked the previous videos out, they're all under the playlist of the Einhell table saw, so check them out, especially the fence upgrade. If you've liked the video, give us a thumbs up. I do appreciate that, and also if you've not already subscribed, consider subscribing. And as always guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.